Good morning students, how are you? Today we are going to read our EVS chapter number 7 living and non-living things. आज हम इसकी क्या करने वाले हैं? रीडिंग करने वाले हैं. ओके? Chapter 7 living and non-living things. The world around us is full of things like plants, animals, trees, mountains, birds, books, cars, buildings, and buses. We divide these things into two main groups: living things, non-living things. Living things and their characteristics. All the things which have life are called living things. Human beings, plants, and animals are included in this group. Let us understand the characteristics of living things. Living things move. The movement in living things is one of the characteristics that show they are alive. Human beings can run, walk, etc. Animals move from one place to another in search of food and shelter. Plants do not move from one place to another. They show their movements in a different way. For example, a sunflower turns to face the sun. Living things need food and water. All living things need food to stay alive and grow. Food gives energy to living things to perform all functions. Animals get their food from plants and other animals. Green plants make their own food with the help of sunlight, air, and water. Water is also very important for all living things. Living things grow. All living things, whether plants or animals, grow. The clothes you used to wear when you were a baby are too small for you now because you have grown in size. A baby grows into an adult, a seed grows into a big plant, and a baby animal grows into a big animal. For example, puppies grow and become dogs. Living things feel. Human beings and animals feel with the help of their sense organs. They can sense changes around them. Plants can also feel changes around them, but they do not have sense organs. For example, leaves of the touch me not or mimosa plant close when they are touched. Living things breathe. Living things breathe as long as they are alive. Human beings breathe through their lungs. Different animals breathe through different organs such as lungs, gills, air holes, etc. Plants breathe through tiny pores present on their leaves called stomata. Living things reproduce. All living things reproduce. Animals give birth to young ones or lay eggs. Most plants reproduce from seeds. Non-living things and their characteristics. Non-living things do not have life. They are either natural or man-made. Rocks, mountains, rivers, streams, soil and minerals are natural non-living things. Human beings make objects like chair, car, pen, clothes and houses. These are called man-made non-living things. These non-living things are important because they make our life easy and comfortable. Some of the characteristics of non-living things are: non-living things do not move on their own. For example, a table cannot move from one place to another. Non-living things do not need food and water. For example, a chair does not need food and it never grows. Non-living things do not breathe. For example, a book does not need air to breathe. Non-living things do not reproduce. For example, a car cannot produce another car. Non-living things do not grow. For example, a small table does not grow into a big table. Non-living things do not feel. For example, a doll will never actually cry if you throw it on the ground.